discuss some more problems related to transformation of axis, rotation of axis. Look, another problem. Find the transformed equation now. Find the transformed equation of 4xy minus 3x square equal to a square when the axes are rotated through an angle. When the axes are rotated through an angle tan inverse 2. When the axes are rotated through an angle tan inverse 2. Look here. Solution. Let the given angle be theta equal to tan inverse 2. Tan theta equal to 2. Then sin theta and cos theta form a right angle triangle. Tan theta equal to 2 by 1. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is sum of the squares of adjacent sides. 2 square plus 1 square 5 root 5. Sin theta is equal to 2 by root 5. Cos theta equal to 1 by root 5. Now, for finding transformed equation, find the values of small x and small y in terms of capital X and Y. That is, small x equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, x cos theta, y sin theta, that is equal to x minus 2y by root 5, small x. Small y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta, x sin theta, y cos theta, that is equal to 2x plus y by root 5. Here it is y. So for finding transformed equation, replacing small x comma y by x minus 2y by root 5 and 2x plus y by root 5 in the given equation. Therefore, transformed equation is, equation 1 becomes 4xy x minus 2y by root 5, 2x plus y by root 5, 4xy minus 3x square x minus 2y by root 5 whole square is equal to a square. That implies 4 by 5, root 5 into root 5, 5, 4 by 5, 2x square plus xy minus 4xy minus 3xy minus 2y square minus 3 by root 5 whole square is 5, x square minus 4xy 4y square equal to a square implies 8x square 12xy 8y square minus 3x square 12xy 12y square 5a square Therefore, the transformed equation is 8 minus 3, 5x square, minus 12xy plus 12xy gets cancelled. Minus 8 minus 12, minus 20y square. Minus 20y square is equal to 5a square. Dividing both sides by 5, then we get x square minus 4y square equal to a square is the required transformed equation. If the transformed equation of the curve, if the transformed equation of the curve equation of the curve x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square equal to 2a square. When the axes are rotated through an angle 60 degrees, find the original equation. Find the original equation. Yesterday continuation. Solution. The given transformed equation is, let it be equation 1, and also given that the angle of rotation theta is equal to 60 degrees. Now for finding the original equation, replacing capital X and capital Y in terms of small x and small y. So whose relation are capital X equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta, x cos theta plus y sin theta, x cos theta plus y small y sin theta, capital Y minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. So I already explained this concept, how to remember the values of small x, small y and capital X, capital Y. So once again, I will explain here. Look here, small x, small y, capital X, capital Y, angle of rotation theta, cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. For finding small x, forget about third row. So you just remember first and second row. X cos theta minus y sin theta, x cos theta minus y sin theta. For finding y, forget about second row. Then sum of the products of the corresponding elements in first row and third row. X sin theta, y capital Y cos theta. So here are original coordinates small x and small y, and capital X equal to, for finding x, forget about third column. So you just remember first and second, sum of the products of the corresponding elements, x cos theta plus y sin theta, x cos theta plus y sin theta. And for finding y, forget about x into minus sin theta capital Y minus x sin theta plus y cos theta, x into minus sin theta minus x sin theta, y into cos theta plus y cos theta. So here are the relations between small x to small y, capital X to capital Y, and the angle of rotation theta. that is equal to x cos theta cos 60 y sin theta sin 60 x by 2 plus root 3 by 2 y x plus root 3 y by 2 and y minus x sin theta sin 60 degrees y cos theta cos 60 degrees minus x into root 3 by 2 y into 1 by 2 minus root 3x plus y by 2. So here are the values of small x and capital X and capital Y. For finding original equation, replacing these values of x and y or putting the values of capital X and y in equation 1. From 1, the original equation is x square x plus root 3y by 2 whole square 2 root 3 xy x plus root 3y by 2 minus root 3x plus y by 2. Root 3x plus y by 2 whole square equal to 2a square. Once again, x square 2 root 3 x into y minus y square equal to 2a square. That implies 1 by 4 expansion of x plus root 3 y whole square x square 2 root 3 xy 3y square plus 2 root 3 by 4 x into minus root 3 minus root 3 x square minus root 3 x square plus xy minus 3 xy, that is minus 2xy by simplification. Once again, root 3 into root 3, 3 minus 3xy plus 2xy minus 2xy plus root 3y square minus 1 by 4 3x square 2 root 3 xy y square equal to 2a square. Minus a plus b whole square is nothing but a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square implies LCM is 4 x square 2 root 3 xy 3y square root 3 into root 3 3 2s are 6x square 2 2s are 4 root 3 xy plus 2 3s are 6y square minus 3x square 2 root 3 xy minus y square equal to 8a square. By cross multiplication 4 2s are 8. Once again minus 6 minus 4 root 3 plus 6 minus 3x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square over, after rearranging the terms, 1 minus 6 minus 3 1 minus 9 minus 8x square, and then 2 root 3 xy 2 root 3 xy 4 root 3 xy minus 4 root 3 xy gets cancelled, come to y square plus 6y square 9y square minus y square 8y square 8y square is equal to 8a square. Dividing both sides by a square, then we get x square minus y square plus a square equal to 0, which is the required original equation. Find the angle of rotation of axis. Find the angle of rotation of axis so that the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So that the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 may be reduced to the form capital X equal to a constant. Also find the value of constant. Also find the value of constant. Also find the value of constant. X equal to a constant. X equal to a constant. Here it is the given problem. Once again, so try to understand the given question. Find the angle of rotation of the axis so that the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 reduces to the form x equal to a constant. Also find the value of that constant. Solution. Let theta be the angle of rotation. Let theta be the angle of rotation. Angle of rotation of the axis. Then the original coordinates are x cos theta minus y sin theta, small y, x sin theta plus y cos theta. The transformed equation now the transformed equation of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a into x cos theta minus y sin theta, b into x sin theta plus y cos theta plus a c0 can also be rewritten as x into a cos theta plus b sin theta y minus a sin theta b cos theta plus c is equal to 0. Once again, take x as common, whose coefficient is a cos theta plus b sin theta, and then take y as common, whose coefficient minus a sin theta plus b cos theta plus c equal to 0. As for the given problem, the transformed equation after rotating the axis through an angle theta is x equal to a constant. Let the transformed equation be let the transformed equation be x equal to k implies x minus k equal to 0. Let it be equation number 2. Comparing 1 and 2. Comparing 1 and 2. We get comparing 1 and 2, we get comparing 1 and 2, we get A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So that is coefficient of x into plus y into plus c. Coefficient of x is 1. That means a cos theta plus b sin theta by 1 equal to c by minus k a1 by a2 x by 1 coefficient of y 0 and the coefficient of y minus a sin theta plus b cos theta 0. Constant plus c, here constant minus k, c by minus k. Next, continuation. Since minus a sin theta plus b cos theta equal to 0, from here a sin theta equal to b cos theta, sin theta by cos theta equal to b by a, tan theta equal to b by a. Now sin theta is equal to and also cos theta is equal to, for finding sin theta and cos theta, it is better to form right angle triangle. Let it be theta, opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. Now sin theta equal to b by under root a square plus b square, cos theta equal to a by under root a square plus b square. Substituting the values of sin theta and cos theta in the equation, let it be 3. A cos theta plus b sin theta equal to c by k, a cos theta, a into a by root a square plus b square, sin theta b by root a square plus b square, c by k, a square plus b square by root a square plus b square, c by k, a by root a equal to root a, c by k is equal to root a square plus b square. Here it is c by minus k, here it is c by minus k, c by minus k. That implies k is equal to minus c by k, let it be minus c by k. K is equal to minus c by root a square plus b square. Here it is the value of the constant k. and the angle of rotation is theta equal to tan inverse B by A. Because tan theta equal to B by A, theta equal to tan inverse B by A. Here it is the angle of rotation and the constant in x equal to k is k equal to minus c by root a square plus b square. Next one more problem. Look, transform the expression x square minus xy y square plus 4x minus 5y minus 1 equal to 0 into the form capital A x square b y square plus a c by suitable transformation. Look here, the problem is transform the expression into the form ax square plus by square plus c by suitable transformation. So comparing the given, let it be one given expression. Solution. Comparing equation 1 with the standard form ax square 2hxy by square 2gx 2fy plus a c, we get a1 b1 c minus 1 2h minus 1 h minus 1 by 2 2z z2 2f minus 5 by 2. So the transformed equation is ax square plus by square plus c. Here the transformed equation does not contain first degree terms as well as coefficient of xy. So to eliminating first degree terms, x and y terms in the given equation, origin is shifted to the point h of minus bg by ab minus h square gh minus af by ab minus h square. Once again, to eliminating x and y terms, first degree terms, origin is shifted to the point, that is equal to hf minus bg by ab minus h square gh minus af by AB minus H square 1 minus 1 by 4. Once again, H F minus of minus plus 5 by 4 minus B G by AB minus H square GH minus 1 by 2 into 2 minus GH minus AF 1 into plus 5 by 2 AB minus H square. That is equal to after simplification 5 minus 8 4 minus 1 5 minus 8 by 4 minus 1 minus 2 plus 5 4 minus 1 minus 3 by 3 minus 1 3 by 3 1 comma 1. So, to eliminating first degree terms in the given equation, origin is shifted to the point minus 1 comma 1. With this shifting the origin, find the transformed equation. That is, small x is equal to x plus h capital X minus 1 and small y equal to y plus k y plus 1. Therefore, the transformed equation is x minus 1 whole square x minus 1 into y plus 1 y plus 1 whole square 4 into x minus 1 5 into y plus 1 minus 1. The transformed expression, that is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 xy plus x minus y minus 1 xy plus x minus y minus 1 y square plus 2y plus 1 4x minus 4 minus 5 minus 5y minus 5 minus 1, that is equal to x square minus xy come to y square plus y square. Next, x terms minus 2x plus x minus x plus 4x 3x and then y minus 2x minus x minus 3x plus 4x plus x only once again minus 2x minus x minus 2x minus x minus 3x plus 4x plus x come to y plus y plus 2y 3y minus 5y minus 2y y plus 2y 3y minus 5y. Next come to constants 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 1 3 3 minus 10 minus 7 equal to 0. Once again x square minus xy plus y square minus 2x minus x minus 3x plus 4x plus x y minus of minus plus y plus 2y 3y minus 5y minus 2y constant minus of minus plus 1 1 plus 1 2 minus 10 2 minus 10 minus 8 2 minus 10 minus 8. But the transformed equation is ax square plus by square plus c, so that for for eliminating xy term, axis must be rotated through an angle. Theta is equal to half tan inverse 2h by a minus b. Half tan inverse 2h minus 1 by a minus b 1 minus 1. Half into pi by 2, pi by 4. Therefore, the angle of rotation is pi by 4. So, with this angle of rotation, the transformed equation of the above term, the transformed equation of the above expression is now the transformed equation of the above expression is so for finding transformed equation, x equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, y equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, x sin theta plus y cos theta, small x small y. That is equal to x cos pi by 4, y sin pi by 4, x minus y by root 2, x sin pi by 4, y cos pi by 4. So, substituting these values in the above equation, we get already equation rub chesanu meeku idi. Once again, x square minus xy plus y square minus x square minus xy plus y square minus 8 equal to 0. That implies x square x minus y by root 2 whole square, x minus y by root 2, x plus y by root 2, y square x plus y by root 2 whole square minus 8 is equal to 0. That implies x square minus 2xy y square minus x square plus y square, x square plus 2xy plus y square minus 16 equal to 0. X square. Now x square plus 3y square equal to 16. Once again, x square, y square, 3y square is equal to 16. So, which is the required transformed equation of the given curves? Yes, we can conclude this class. Tomorrow we will continue with some more problems on objective.